Let me show you my installation of my Coolaroo Outdoor Roller Shade. This was remarkably easy. It just has these two ends. They are metal L brackets with a plastic element to each one. You have one that you twist, and then you do get bungee cords, which I did not use, but those are so you can affix it to the ground in some way so it won't fly around or flap around in the wind. And while this is very easy to install, I actually made it exceptionally hard on myself because I decided to install it between the two posts. So I couldn't use a power screwdriver. I just had to use my own muscles to force that in, but made it work, got it cranked all the way in. And once I had the L brackets in, it was super, super easy to slide in the roller shade. It actually locks in the L bracket you just saw, and you can snap it out of that L bracket as well with a flathead screwdriver. So if you want to take it down in the winter or swap it out, that's not a big deal either. And I was actually shocked at how easily it just popped right in. Once it was in, it was ready to go. The manual crank is not the fanciest, but it works really well. I know you can get much more expensive options that have powered cranks, maybe solar run, maybe plugged in, but this served our purpose beautifully. And oh, how I love it. It looks so good. I love that it's completely hidden when not in use. You would never ever guess it was there unless you were looking right up between those two planks. And then when I have it go down, I can choose how far I want it to go down to make our dining area shaded in the summer. This section gets blasted with the afternoon sun. So this is a key addition. One piece I haven't figured out yet is how to connect it to the ground. The pieces it comes with are really meant to be screwed into probably wood or metal, but I'm just going to get some stakes here and use stakes and bungee cords that are attached to the stakes so they're not seen otherwise. And it is perfect. I love it. I think you will as well.